Hi friends, Christy here from MakingItInTheMountains.com, and today I'm excited to share with you our renovation plans for the year ahead. Okay, so the first space on our renovation list for 2024 is our study. As you can see behind me, the study is pretty much done. We are missing a few furniture pieces that I still need to source. I just want to make sure I'm giving myself time to pick out the perfect ones. But for the most part, this room is finished. The carpet is replaced, the lighting is replaced, the fireplace tile has been replaced, and it's a nice cozy space now. The second item on our renovation list for the year ahead was to replace the flooring on our staircases. I've hated this flooring since the day we moved in, and I am so excited to finally have some beautiful wool carpet over them instead. Okay, so next on our list is finishing the renovations in our primary bedroom. This room was a total mess when we moved into this house about a year and a half ago. It was so bad that we decided we weren't even going to move into this room. We're sleeping in a whole other room and have been since we moved in. We had the carpets, the stained, gross carpets in this room ripped out within days of moving into this house. And it's kind of been a construction zone ever since. So a lot of this has to do with the fact that our primary ensuite is getting a total gut job, and so we've moved around some walls and a lot of the plumbing in there, as well as our primary closet build is also kind of taking over this space. And really the only thing that's changing in our primary suite is the wall between our bedroom and our ensuite, and the flooring and a bit of lighting. So there's not a whole lot of changes happening in this room, but there's not a whole lot we can do in here until we finish up our ensuite next door. So let me show you that. Okay, so just off of our bedroom is our primary ensuite. This is the room that's probably seeing the biggest change in this whole entire house. As you can see in the before photos, the entrance to the bathroom was kind of awkward with one wall on one side and a bathtub on the other side, and you're facing the toilet as you walk in. And then it was around the corner that you found the sink and the rest of our primary closet. The layout of this space to begin with was awkward to say the least, and the closet area was definitely not going to be big enough for what we were at least hoping to have in this house. So we worked really hard to come up with a better layout for this space. We were able to move our closet to a bedroom that was adjacent to our bedroom. So I'll tell you about that in a minute. But for our ensuite, it gave us a whole lot more room to work with for the bathroom. So we were able to fit in a double vanity, which the old one only had a single vanity. We were able to get in a separate tub and shower. I have a whole post about the design and layout of this bathroom on my blog, so I'll be sure to link to that for you, so you can check that out if you're curious. But really the vibe of this space is going to be fairly traditional with just a few touches of modern, just to make things feel interesting. So I am so excited to see this space come together, and it can't happen soon enough. All right, welcome to yet another construction zone in our house. This will be our future primary closet. It's actually quite a big space. We were able to take over most of the bedroom next to our primary bedroom. So it's a bit of a long story, but basically the two bedrooms next to our primary bedroom had at one point in time had the wall between them removed. So they were just like one big bedroom space with two doors into our hallway. We decided we wanted to add that wall back in, but we just decided instead of adding it back where it had been in the original layout, we would just move it a little bit closer to our room to give us a closet. And that allowed us to give a bigger bedroom on the other side, which we are going to use for our son Carson. So he's really excited to have a nice big bedroom on the other side. I'll give you a glimpse of that in a minute here. But that allowed us to have a nice big closet beside our bedroom. We were able to punch in room for a double door into our bedroom, and we have some big plans for this space that I cannot wait to share soon. All right, welcome to Carson's bedroom. This is the next room on our renovation list for this year. So this is on the other side of our primary closet. You can see the wall behind me that has the insulation in it is the wall between this bedroom and our closet. So because this is essentially 1.5 bedrooms in this house from the old layout, we've got a lot of space to work with in here. We were able to fit in a walk-in closet for Carson, as well as a little nook for him to have some bookshelves and a desk in. He also has a ton of windows in here, so we've got lots of natural light to work with. He's got some big plans for a fancy built-in bed and fancy built-in desk and all sorts of different things that he wants to include in this space. So I'm really excited to share our plans and hopefully bring you along for the ride.
Number 7 on our 2024 renovation list is to replace all of the flooring on our second floor. Since we'll already be replacing the flooring in all of our bedrooms, we figured we might as well do the hallway as well and get rid of this gross stained carpet for some engineered hardwood. Okay, the very last project on our renovation list for the year is to renovate what we call the pyramid room bathroom. So this bathroom is just off of the bonus room over our garage and definitely needs some updating. It's such a beautiful bright space though. I cannot wait to get my hands on it. Honestly, don't anticipate we're going to have time for this one, but I wanted to throw it on the list just in case. 2024 is sure to be a busy year full of renovation projects, but I cannot wait to finally start bringing some of our visions for this new old house of ours to life. Be sure you're subscribed to our channel so you can follow along with all of our renovation adventures in this old Tudor style home.